Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I am Wahyu Nur Hamidah and my two friends, namely Syafru Muliza and Zinia Teguh Sofiati, want to convey the importance of learning English and how to learn English effectively. The reason for the importance of learning English is my opinion is because English is an international language, which is the language used by people around the world as a means of communication or a means of connecting between countries. English is also one of the requirements if you want to continue studying abroad. One of the conditions for work, expanding network and make it easier for you if we want our way out of the country. How to learn English? 1. Start with basic materials. Start from learning the alphabet, vocabulary, and even reading children's fairy tales in English. This basic point is very important for beginners. Never be shy to learn from the basic. You can learn the tense from the simple present tense. In addition, knowing the alphabet can really help improve your speaking skills. 2. Do not memorize vocabulary because what is needed in everyday life is to communication with sentence, not vocabulary. If your goal is to become proficient in communicating in English the right way, use appropriate vocabulary you have learned to make a simple sentence. The practice saying the sentence over and over. 3. Of the main ways to learn English is by the main things is to understand the grammar. The last one is if you like watching Korean dramas, for example, you can try with English translation so you can hear and see it and understand the meaning. Thanks for your attention. That's all from me and my friends will ask for it.
Example of the context about studying English experience. I studied English first time when I was a junior high school and I don't know about English before, so I was very excited to study English. But suddenly I had English very much because of the English teacher. He taught us very disciplined. If we said one word, he will ask us to repeat again and again. If we answer one question, he will give us another exercise. I was really afraid to come to this class, but I never give up. I tried to study it myself. I repeat the pronunciation and did his homework harder, and he was compliment angry anymore. He gave me compliments. After that, I know English is easy to study, so I studied seriously and happy. English language difficult and solution. Number 1. Vocab. Don't be easy to memorize vocabulary. Memorize one by one with the target that must be assessed per week using the dictionary. Number 2. Difficult in pronunciation. In the electronic dictionary, you can listen to the voice of the native speaker. After listening, try to speak yourself but with record. Listen to your present and then repeat until it looks familiar. Number 3. Grammar. Almost everyone fit in difficult to learn English and grammar methods. There are many using personal and the present past and future tense formula. You don't need to be afraid to learn grammar because it's easier if you have mastered a lot of vocabulary. Learning grammar is not just memorizing formula like how to memorize vocabulary, but the most effective way to learn is by doing the question. In the question, you will practice sensitivity in wrong and correct grammar. The more often you do the question, the easier it will be for you to understand grammar. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Introduce, my name is Syafru Muliza. Here I will talk about the importance of learning English for the future. Is it important to learn English? Here I will explain about the importance of learning English. You must be familiar with English. You have known since elementary school. There are some students who don't like English subject. There are so many reasons so that we are reluctant to learn English, including maybe we say that English is difficult to learn. I don't like English. I'm not working in the field of international language. There is saying that by mastering the language, the world is in your grasp. It is inevitable in the modern era like today, being a means of communication between a country and another. Therefore, it must be learned. Then what is obtained after learning English? What are the benefits of learning English? It turns out a lot of luck, you know. 1. English is the international language. English is the international language. English is an active language in 53 countries in the world. This is what makes English is very worthy of being called international language. Many countries encourage their people to learn English. There are even countries that include English into their educational curricula, including Indonesia. So when we master English, of course we will be able to adapt and talk to anyone, especially when we move from country to country. By mastering a language, which is actually the most common language in the world, this is of course our main asset to expand our interaction throughout the world. To make it easier for you to go abroad, we all certainly have aspiration to vacation abroad. This is one of the best reasons for learning English to interact. Actually, socialize with the local community. However, some of us must also feel inferior because they feel constrained by our English language skills. So this is the important reason for learning English. By learning English, of course, we will never feel inferior when we are going on vacation to a country which suddenly does not use Indonesian as a global language. English is certainly a language that is very commonly used in various countries. Therefore, by mastering English, it will make us feel safe on vacation and recreation in other countries. So learn English and enjoy in vacation to various corners of the world in comfort. 3. English is as the world work to improve careers. In today's world of work, having knowledge in English is one of the greatest assets in developing our careers. The progress of the world economy, which is increasingly globalizing and interaction with people from various corners of the world, is one of the important things that is very valuable to do. To advance our careers, of course, we must be able to establish relationship with other companies. Whether a career in any field that as foreign languages, government, traveling, education, communication, law, advertising, or the economy. Our ability to master English will whether a career in any field as a foreign language such as government, traveling, education, communication, law, advertising, or the economy. Our ability to master English will certainly lead us to communicate and establish relationship with companies from various fields. There is nothing wrong with which career field we will choose. It doesn't matter which country we choose to work in. Origin, we can know English and show the advance we have. And the last, continue high education levels. Everyone would want to be able to continue their education at a high level. So this could be one of the important reasons why we should learn English. Why? Because every time there is a university entrance test from various levels, the English language test is definitely one of the being tested. By mastering language, of course, we will not be overwhelmed in taking English tests, which some people think are very burdensome. By learning English, it means that it has really helped us to Recently, advanced era like today, we can learn something very easily from anywhere and anything through the books and the internet kit. For my friends, I invite all of us the end of this seminar to start believing that learning English is very important. Very happy to be able to share knowledge with all these friends. Success for you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.